Hey y'all, Wild Kyle here. Welcome back to the channel. I am in the truck with Derek, the Rockmaster, and crazy Chris Bobwick right there. And we're going to be doing something a little bit different today that I've never done on the channel before. We're going to be looking for agatized oyster fossils. So you've seen us find the agatized coral on this channel before with the beautiful geodes and stuff. But today we're actually looking for oysters that are also agatized. Sometimes have voids in them, but you cut them open and they're just beautiful on the inside. So I'm either going to do that later in this video or in a separate video. We're going to see how the day goes. But we've got some really cool spots to check out. We're going to go to a couple different locations today. We're going to bring you all along with us. So we've got a little bit of a ride here in the car, and then we'll be out hopefully finding some beautiful agatized oysters. Wish us luck.
It's going to be amazing. Agatized oysters, who would think that that is a thing, but it is.
It's true. It's kind of crazy to think about.
Very cool.
Chris Bobwick, are you excited?
Super excited.
We've
got colors, we've got formations, they're fossils, they're cool rocks.
There's all kinds of cool things.
Too cool.
We've got a ways to go, you know, but we're going to get there, and beautiful agatized fossils will be awaiting.
You have to go the extra mile to find these treasures. You can't just like pop up, nearby and
This is true.
it's there. And you have to work for it, right, Chris?
You need to put the work in to get the agates.
We're getting close.
Very
y'all.
close. I can smell it.
We is getting close. I can feel the agate in my bones. Agatized bones.
Druzy.
Oh, could you imagine agatized bone fossils? Wouldn't that be cool?
That'd be very cool. You can find dinosaur bone that's agatized.
Yeah, where at?
Like out west, like Montana and Wyoming and those places.
That would be cool.
Yeah.
That sounds cool. What do you think about that, Chris Bobwick?
I would love me some dino agate.
Dino agate. That would be cool.
Yeah.
We're gonna do it one day. We will. We will find it. What did you call it, Derek?
Daggett.
What's that? Dino agate?
Dino agate.
Daggett.
Or Dinogit. That sounds like a dishwasher cleaner. Dinogit. Like, put Dinogit in your dishwasher to
Oh my
clean.
god. Yes, it does. It's beautiful. Alrighty, we have exited the truck. We are at the location near the river, and we're gonna walk through the woods a little bit to get there, and we'll hopefully be finding some beautiful oysters. I came here a really long time ago, like a very, very long time ago, and I remember these oysters, so hopefully I remember correctly. We're about to find out. So there's actually an interesting story about this bridge that we're walking on right now to get to the river. There's like a, I guess, I don't know when it was, but there was a bus or something that had driven off the river into the bridge, or driven off the bridge into the river. And so it's kind of, rumored to be haunted and all that stuff, and you can think whatever you want about that, I don't know. But it's really just kind of cool, a lot of weird history here. We're about to find some real old history, though, hopefully, if the river's not too high. Check it out, y'all. We're at this bridge. It's cool. It's really cool right here. Getting some exploration in on top of it. Okay, look over here, though. Do y'all see that clay down there? Yeah. That's where the oysters sit, on the clay. Look at that clay down there. I don't know if y'all can see it in the camera. That looks good. So the water is up a little bit, but not terribly. So we're going to be able to walk down that side, and we'll check out the banks there a little bit. That's going to be awesome. Someone wrote, "You suck." And also someone wrote, "Jump." I wouldn't listen to that. That's not a... No, don't do that, please. Man, it's beautiful out here. This is pretty right here. Look at all the little grass growing on the bridge. I like that. That's pretty cool. Okay, we got to find a way down there. Some of this down here under the bridge actually looks pretty good. I don't mind seeing nicely done graffiti. It definitely is a really cool art form. It looks nice. And some of it not so nice, like when you see the lewd things, or that Mike, I don't know. That looks bad, but this over here looks nice. So we're right on this clay now by the river, y'all, checking it out for oysters, and maybe I failed because we don't see any. I know they were here. We're going to have to walk some more of the bank, I guess, and keep exploring. But I know they're around here somewhere. Maybe they're higher up, too. I don't know. We're finally getting onto the exposure a little bit and doing some scratching around with little tools on the side and hitting these oysters. Look at that. I don't know if you can tell how agatized that is, but that thing is going to look really, really cool cut open. Look at that one. You can really see that orange coming through there. That thing's gonna look sweet cut as well. All right, y'all, we found a couple cool oysters to cut right here, but it's kind of sparse, so we're gonna go ahead and jump back in the truck and drive about 30 minutes to another location where we're actually gonna throw in the canoe and I can't talk, and jump in the water and hopefully find some more stuff. There's a little layer over there in a little creek that I know about that has really big oysters that are agatized. So I'm excited to go check it out. Let's do it.
And we're gonna find some gigantic, huge oysters. I mean, they're huge. They're as big as my face. And we know how big my face is.
All right, everybody, we're at the boat ramp now. We're gonna jump in the canoe here and find some big agatized oysters. Derek's suiting up, so he needs a little bit of help eating. Oh, God. Oh, that is, oh my God. Let me see it. I'm sorry that y'all had to witness that.
I'm ready now. Let's go.
Excellent. We have made it onto the river, and there are beautiful limestone banks everywhere. Derek, the rock master, paddling. Man, it is gorgeous out here. Check out this limestone, ancient sea bottom. That is so incredibly cool. We're going up into the side creek right here. Look at that. That's a dang cave over there. Wow. That is so crazy cool looking. Look at those gorgeous little water reflections on the limestone over there. I like that. I like it a lot. Do you like it, Derek?
Yes! Oh.
So we got more and more crazy banks, and I hear a waterfall. It's literally behind that tree over there. And it's pretty cool. I've seen it before, but I've never shown it in a video, so this will be pretty cool to check it out. We got crazy current going on. Oh, look at that. Look at those big limestone chunks that have fallen into the river. Oh, that thing is loud today, baby. Oh, here it comes. Here we go. There it is. Check that out. Man.
That's a nice waterfall.
That's a nice little waterfall, everybody. That's gorgeous. Check that out. Let's little park a little bit. How beautiful is that? I love it. All right, beautiful waterfall. We'll see you later. We're gonna skirt on up the river. So, if I remember correctly, this bank right there, is where the oyster exposure is, I believe. Whoa, there's an anhinga up there in the water. A birdie. There, see him? You probably can't see him well on the camera. He's fishing. Or a cormorant. I guess it could be a cormorant. I have a confession to make, everyone. That stick was not a bird. It was just a stick. I am crazy. I am sorry. You see it? You see it?
Yeah. I see him. Yeah.
All right, right here is the oysters. There's an oyster right there.
I see it.
We are at the oyster bed. We will now be able to hunt and extract them, and it will be glorious. All right, everybody. We are on the bank now in the clay, finding beautiful agatized oysters.
Whoa.
That thing is absolutely huge. God. Oh my God. Can you imagine that cut? That's going to be so beautiful cut open. We're going to do that later on, my friends. Oh gosh.
Yeah.
It literally looks like a mammoth. That's gonna be beautiful. Oh my gosh. That's both sides of it, isn't it?
Yeah.
I don't know if they're actually connected or if they'll fall apart.
No, it's all together.
That's all together. That's gonna look beautiful. Look at that agatized oyster, everybody. That thing's like 20 million years old in the bank of the river. That is awesome. And there's so many right here. Like, look at this. This is one right there. Look at that. Oh, it's like blue and red.
Yeah.
These are gonna look beautiful cut, everybody. What's this one? These little pieces of, what's this big boy? Try and dig that one out, Derek.
Take a look over here.
There you go.
Look at this.
Oh, Chris Bobwick's behind me. Oh, look at that one. Oh, it's got the other side too. Oh my gosh, these are beautiful. They're like blue and stuff. Look at that. Derek pulled both sides of it. That's really cool, man.
There you go.
Okay. Here you go, Bobwick. Oh my gosh, these are beautiful. Look at that one.
Look at this thick one.
Thick boy. Oh, look at this. They're just everywhere.
They're everywhere over here.
Oh,
Look at this fat.
they're just throwing them.
Over here?
Look at that fat boy.
Or are they mostly just over here?
They're everywhere.
They're everywhere. Feels like a big one right there. Yeah, it's a big old thick one. That's gonna be full of beautiful colors. Throw that one in the bucket. These are so cool. All right, Derek got his big boy now. Now we need to get Bobwick a big boy.
Look at that thing.
Look at that thing's gonna be beautiful cut. It's so thick. Look at that oyster.
You are the man.
The man.
That is
Demented. Oh, that's amazing.
Oh, big.
What is that?
I'm looking at the.
Put it in the bucket, baby. Woo! There's literally, look at this, guys. There's bone in the bank right here. That's fossil bone. What kind of bone is it? Oh, it's a dugong. Look at that.
More proof this was a mangrove at one time.
That's crazy. That's dugong bone. Whoa. What's like, what's that, agatized dugong bone?
Yeah.
That is so cool. I'll keep the
put that
bone
over
just because for science purposes for where we're at. Cool. Dude.
Holy moly.
I
look at
can't
that.
wait to see that thing
Wow.
cut, dude.
Oh, man.
Wow.
Yeah.
Thick boy.
All right. That looks good.
Oh, there's like two. It was like one was there.
Yeah.
That's weird. All right, guys.
All right, Kyle. Kiss it. Oh, yeah. Beautiful.
All right, everybody. We definitely got our fill of big agatized oysters, and now it's time to make our way off the river and cut them and see the beauty within. Derek's all excited. I see his face. Look at him. All right, everybody. I'm sure all these oysters look like just blobs of nothingness on the camera right now, but they're all big oysters. I mean, let's get a little close up of one. Oh God, I'm stepping all over them. Look at that thing. That is amazing. Okay, Derek's gonna cut this one then.
Yeah.
Derek,
Give it to me.
cut it.
All right.
Look at him. He looks crazy right now. Derek, the chemist.
We want to do it like.
There she goes. There she goes. Oh my goodness. Oh, it smells so bad. That is beautiful.
Wow.
Look at that. That looks crazy. I like that.
Oh,
That is gorgeous. Okay, okay, okay. What in the world?
Look at this big boy.
That's a big old oyster.
Yeah.
I'm excited to see that. Oh, bring it over here in the light. Bring it over here in the light. Light. Oh.
Look at that.
Look at that. It's beautiful.
Whoa. There's
Oh,
nice pockets.
man.
Look at those pockets.
Look at that.
So cool. They look like angel wings.
It does look like angel wings. That's cool. Wow.
Let me see. Where's the?
That is beautiful looking. Wow. The great reveal. Oh my gosh.
Look at this.
These things look beautiful.
Is that a pocket? Yeah.
Oh man.
It does.
Look at that. These things have the craziest patterns. Look at that. Wispy.
Yeah, wispy.
Whew, man, I like these. See it?
Reveal.
Oh, I like that. Those tight packed lines.
Mm-hmm.
Let's
Yep,
see
I like
some
this. Look at this. Ghost wisps.
Ghost wispies.
As I call them.
Oh, ooh, yeah. That's pretty, dude.
Beautiful.
They look like wispy
They
clouds.
look like clouds, yeah. Clouds. Blue.
Okay.
Whoa.
That one's cool, dude.
Holy crap. Look at that blue.
Oh, that blue is great.
Wow.
I want to focus. There it goes. Oh, that's blue. That looks
There's a
good.
pocket right there.
Yeah.
I can see there's a hole right there.
So,
Seriously, just hold it right there.
do what now? Oh, we want to extract some clay out of it. There's little cavities in there.
Here, let's hose it off.
Neato. Yeah, I like that one, dude. Oh man, that one's pretty.
Yeah. That's cool.
Derek said it's the best one
I
so
think it's the
far.
best
He
one so
thinks.
far.
Do it. Oh
Yeah.
gosh,
Look at those chambers.
that thing is beautiful,
color right
dude.
Yeah.
That's like some new amber.
Oh my gosh.
The blue's great.
Oh, I love that one, dude.
Druzy, look at all the druzy in there.
Dude, that thing looks like a dang alien. Oh, that is so cool. Oh, I am in love.
How do we know who found this?
I don't know.
So, that's the same.
Oh my goodness. Derek is a monster. He literally cut every single one of these while Bob Wick and I just watched. But look at these things. This one is one of my favorite right there. Oh, God. Oh, wait, actually, it's better without that light. You can see the color better. Look at, oh gosh, it's beautiful. I can't wait to get some of these polished, dude. What did this one look like? Oh God. Oh, that's that first fatty I think I found. Either way, I'm taking it either way. That's nice, man. These look so good. Even the little ones look really good. A lot of these little small guys. That is awesome, y'all. Good job to Derek. Cutting these. Just gotta flip. We just gotta flip some of these around and look at them. Oh my gosh. Oh my. Oh, look at that. These are so cool. God, I love these guys. These are awesome. These things are really, really cool. These are gonna look so good polished up.
Okay, look at this one.
All right, y'all. How do you guys feel about it?
Oh, this is amazing.
Amazing.
Absolutely
day.
amazing.
I feel good about it too. We got a lot of really cool stuff, and I can't wait to see some of this stuff polished up. That is going to be very, very, very cool. I'll be sure to show y'all some of that as well. But if you enjoyed today's adventure, give the video a big thumbs up and subscribe if you have not already. Let me know in the comments below if you want to see us look for more of these big, giant, agatized oysters in the future. I definitely want to do it again, so let me know. Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see y'all in the next video. Hey! Oh, God.
I don't know.